Hello, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip in a Flash with your IT professional learning team. I'm sure you've received a little pop-up asking you to sign in with Google for another site or an app. Makes you wonder, right? Is it safe? What exactly are you sharing? Is it putting your Google account at risk? Well, I've done some digging, so join me in this video to see what's shared and how you can protect your privacy. Google has several built-in security measures to protect your information. Google does not share your password. You must grant permission to the third party. Your data is not shared without your permission. Google informs you about what data is being shared, and you can stop using Sign In with Google at any time. What data does Google share? In most cases, your name and your email address. Before you give access to a third-party app, consider these factors: security breaches, data misuse, deletion difficulties, unannounced policy changes, and data visibility to others. Now, what should you do before you give access to your Google account data? Be sure to read their security agreement. It's best to read the privacy policy and security disclosures of all apps and third-party websites. What about unverified apps? And what if you receive a warning that an app is unverified? Be careful. Only share your data with trusted sites. You can always review and change the third-party app access in your Google account. The best practice is to refer to the digital resource menu to check what is approved. If a resource is not approved, staff should obtain approval from administrators. Administrators are advised to approve only those resources that the district has authorized. You'll find the digital resource menu linked to the ECPS Information Technology website. Hopefully, we uncovered a few gold nuggets. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our recommended videos. Don't forget to complete our content request form so we can provide content just for you.